What's going on, everyone? Mexican Radio. Thanks for joining me. I'm gonna try to make another video here before I get tired and pass out. And I apologize if I have the sniffles and shit, man. I've been sick, but I am out having a drink tonight, Sunday night. Put my hair down, relaxing, and I came here to talk to my community. Even though I only have 17 members, man. Hey, man, you guys are the most important right now, and you guys are also in the best spot. So, with that being said, man, right, I guess I could maybe change my screen to something that looks better. Maybe good Pulse X, 8 coin. Fuck that shit. 8. Anyway, man, guys, let me tell you something, man. Right, I'm Mexican Radio. I take pride in that, right? Because I've been around this space for a while, and a lot of you people that have been around for a while, I've been around for a while, and you people that don't know, I can at least hold my ground in a conversation. But I am highly self-educated, I should say, about Pulse Chain and Pulse X, and what I kind of went into before. I kind of learned about it while recuperating from a major accident, man, and it kept my sanity. And Pulse Chain gave me. I'm just gonna leave it here, right? I'm gonna talk, and the reason I'm sniffling too is also because I'm getting teary-eyed, starting to cry, because this is a very touchy subject for me, man. My name's Mexican Radio, and I found Hex in Richard Hart through sci-fi by the grace of God. Because after my accident, man, I was like dangling, to say the least. I think, for the lack of a better word, actually, I was dangling. Did I want to be here or did I not want to be here? Right? I was just hanging over, like, trying to balance out the triple beam. And, at first I had really high ambitions, but through maybe lack of projective recovery, because I don't think I recovered fast enough. I still haven't recovered fully from my accident. And it's left like a mental impact, like a scar in my brain, in my conscience, in my being, in whatever the hell you want to call it, my zen. But it also left me a gift, I think. And without scaring anybody off, I won't talk about the gift that it gave me. Right? But I will talk about is that I value and I cherish each and every single day. I mean, it don't matter if I'm in the White House or in the shit house that day. I cherish it, man. And not the way that most people cherish it, like through religious values or anything. I just cherish it as a human being. I live a very modest life, off the grid. I have no income, but yet I survive. Since I got laid off my job, But I shouldn't say I have no income, because I am a bookworm, and if you know how to do anything with books, you always have an income. Right? So, but anyway, just to give you a little bit of my background. I'm a little bit smarter. I'm a deadhead. I love the Grateful Dead. I went to my first concert March 31st, 1987. I didn't go home for 4.5 months. Just because I got really high on drugs, man. I got fucked up. When I knew where I was, like when I got my conscience back, my fucking brain back and shit, I was in New York City, man. Like far away from home. So. But I did call my parents 4.5 months later when I was 16. And they sent me a bus ticket from Red Rock, Colorado. And when I got back, they proceeded to kick my ass and put me in a rehab. So, for 6 months, which is good, man, right? Because I took a break and I got out just in time for the fucking spring tour, man. But anyway, so that's what I'm saying, people, man. Mexican radio, I'm just giving you a little bit of info about myself, making a video, just talking. Letting you guys know who I am, what I'm about. I'm definitely not about ripping nobody off, right? But I have studied a lot of tokenomics. Excuse me, purple. I have studied tokenomics, cryptocurrencies, blockchain. I'm not good with charts, man. I suck with charts, right? But I can tell by numbers. I'm really good with numbers. So what I did, right? I was sitting back here one night in my cabin, right? Because I live in a cabin deep in the woods. Like, I'm almost out of touch with fucking Wi-Fi and shit, man. Reality, man. Cell phone service and shit like that, right? I'm at the very cutting edge of it. Very leading edge of it, man. If I go to the backyard too far, I won't even get it. That's how, far away I am. But, and I've been this way for, since the pandemic. It's almost 3 years. And in this 3 years, I sat in my cabin and recuperating. And trying to figure out a way. Oh, I never finished the story about my boss, but we'll finish that at the end, right? Because this is what happens. I'm just using this as whatever they call that shit, right? But for anyway, and during the pandemic, I did my thing, and but I got into blockchain technology. Wasn't really into crypto. I used to play Bitcoin I used to play poker, Texas Hold'em poker for Bitcoin in like 2008 when it first came out. And I remember like winning big shit in my wallet, right? But the next day when I woke up when I was sober again, dude, like the wallet I won the shit in, I didn't remember what the fuck it was. I just got no one. So, all those Bitcoin wallets that are fucking not claimed? I know many of them are mine. From playing poker. But, so I left a bad taste in my mouth, man. Theory came out, I left a bad taste in my mouth. Pulse Chain came out, and I'm riding on it. I am fucking taking everything I know and I'm throwing it into my Hexagon Radio Network project, man. And if you don't know about it, I said, well, you're watching this video, so I guess you do. But I also suggest that you pass it on to friends, people in need, people are struggling, third world countries. In America, the drug addicts, the fucking homeless, the people are looking for a way out before they die. Share me with them. Because those are the people I want to talk to. Just out of personal, just out of personal experience, man. I know those people will be very fucking loyal. I know those people will be very fucking protective. And I know those people are very fucking diehard. And they do what they're doing. They are the most diehard motherfuckers in this fucking planet, man, right? And they got fucking the backbone that's probably stronger than 3 of us put together. A little old lady that's been living on the street 5 years probably got a backbone that's fucking thicker than 3 of ours put together. These people are a special breed, right? And these are the people I want to talk to because, I don't have an overnight solution. I don't have like a get rich quick theme. But I do have a fucking program or a model or a protocol, whatever the fuck you want to call it, man, right? That can help these people, man. It not only help them, right? And give them hope for the next day. For my next video to be launched. And as long as they get to the library or if they got a cell phone, most fucking homeless people got a cell phone so they can call their fucking dealers or they can call their Johns or their Johns can call them. So, like, these people got communication, right? So I'm going to try to reach them through their communication and speak to them through my communication. And hopefully, man, like I said, if you watch my videos for the first couple of weeks, man, when I go live, we might be able to get a cup of coffee, But if you hold it, and if you can just delay that self-gratification, even though it's only a little tiny bit, right, it'll build up. And the more that you can delay that gratification, if you don't take it to go buy that $1 cup of coffee, or to buy a $1 hit of crack if you can, I don't know what you can get and can't do no more, right? But that's not the whole thing. The whole thing is if you can just fucking delay yourself and just forget about it. Just go watch the video, like, subscribe, drop the wallet address, right? Forget about it. And then go back to living like you gotta live on the streets, right? If that's a situation that you're into, right? But you're gonna have to do that anyway, right? The library will provide you a nice fucking spot to chill, relax, go up there, do what you gotta do with the YouTube channel. And you watch it grow, man. And I got a tokenomics package hooked up to this fucking deal that will probably like blow the back tires off a Mustang. I mean, if you can't understand the numbers, I'll try to speak to you in other words. It's a very good package, man. It'll probably definitely rip the rear end out of a Mustang. 65 or 66 Mustang too, man. Or even a 64 and a half beefed up 289 hypo. You know what I mean? So, but what I'm trying to say, man, is this tokenomics package, man. I got this buy and burn that do watching YouTube videos. All you gotta do is watch a YouTube video, like, subscribe, drop your wallet address, pass it along to a friend, especially a friend that needs it. All they gotta do is show up. All you gotta do is show up, man. Show up at the library. Show up if you got a cell phone. Show up wherever you gotta show the fuck up, man. When I first launch, it's gonna be Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, right? 3 days a week. Watch my videos, like, subscribe, put your comment on it, whatever else you gotta do, right? And then you just forget about it, man. Wednesday, go do the same thing. You got a place to go, place to crash, hang out, And if you don't know how to do it, all you gotta do is follow my videos because I'm teaching you, right? So, like, with this being said, man, right? You just forget about it for a little bit. Like, say you're homeless, man, right now, and we're in July, right? I can't promise you nothing by this Christmas, because I haven't even launched yet. But if you just hold that, if you keep showing up every day, watch your videos, like, do what you got to do on your end, I'll do what I got to do on my end to make that fucking wallet grow. And maybe not this Christmas, man, but if you can hang in to next Christmas and just keep doing them, telling you what to do, you might be able to provide a Christmas for yourself, right? And I'm being really, really, like, loose with these terms. Actually, by next Christmas, you'll probably be able for Christmas for you, yourself, and your whole entire family that